If you use a grinder to cut the iron sheet, you can't cut without electricity, and the spark is quite large, it's not safe. So I started studying hard. Using the principle of scissors, I modified an electric scissors. First of all, I made 2 wheels, a small wheel, and a large wheel. There's also a hexagonal handle drive shaft behind installing this drive shaft directly on our home hand drill. The rechargeable ones, the plug-in ones, can both be installed. If you have an electric drill at home, you can use it, tie it up tightly with the spring below. This is quite firmly fixed. Let's cut this iron sheet, this piece of iron. Let's give it a try. First, let's ride this side. Go, you. Oh, it's quite fast. Cut this color steel. We'll try to prevent it from being too silky. It's too silky. Some people said it's not good to cut in the middle. Yes. Come on, here's the color. It's quite tricky. Get it down like this. The twin machines of electric scissors.